For this little project, I opened up Rhino, a 3D modeling CAD program, and to get to know it better, I decided to create a pumpkin. And because I was looking at modeling within the parametric design function, it was a question of iterating on that pumpkin to grow a pumpkin patch. And so to start with, I used this ellipse tool here to create a perfect circle on my XY axis here. And then that served as a model to then change tools and use the control point curve, this one here. And over top of that perfect circle, I lay down these sort of triangular shapes that mimicked the top view of the pumpkin. And then I was able to delete the circle underneath. Then from there I moved to the front view, and again I used the control point curve tool to lay down this half circle or profile of a pumpkin. And then I had to combine these two planes by using the rail revolve tool. It was a bit tricky understanding how they work together, but then eventually I was able to create several pumpkins by copying and pasting them and moving them from my central pumpkin factory or generator over into the patch. And then I was able to sort of play with the different parameters that made the shape of a pumpkin. So for this one, I made it taller, the initial curve taller, and I played with the number of divots around here, how the curve came along here. And so the parametric design as a model, I thought lent itself perfectly to experimentation. One didn't have to produce a perfect pumpkin the first time out. And, in spending more time, I was able to look at the color functions and look at why some of these pumpkins here had a bizarre skirt underneath, and some of them were a little bit warped, you can see here. And so in doing the same thing over and over again, you get to know it a bit better. So yeah, a great tool.